What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog, and in today's video we will gonna talk about green screen or white screen issue on your Apple Watch. These screen issues can be caused by a number of things. First, your screen is damaged physically, of course, or there is an improper software install, or you're not charging your Apple Watch properly. And in this video, let's troubleshoot this issue and fix your Apple Watch. So make sure to watch this video till the end because you never know which solution might work for you. Okay, so let's start with our first solution. If your Apple Watch's screen is going green or white, you need to restart your Apple Watch. To restart Apple Watch, you need to press and hold side button and digital crown at the same time until you see Apple logo. And that's how you reboot your Apple Watch. And if restarting of Apple Watch didn't fix the green screen or white screen issue, well, my friend, you can try draining your Apple Watch to zero. This will force your Apple Watch to completely shut down, and if there is a bug or a glitch because of which you are facing green screen or white screen issue on your Apple Watch, will be fixed. To do this, simply wear your Apple Watch until it runs out of battery, then let it charge for 30 minutes before turning it back on. And if draining the battery didn't help you out, you can try turning on sleep focus mode. I know this setting has no correlation with green screen or white screen on your Apple Watch, but on Reddit, some of the users have posted that this solution has worked for them. So there is no harm in trying. To turn on sleep focus mode, open Control Center on your Apple Watch and tap on the moon icon. And if none of these solutions worked out for you, then my friend, you need to try update your Apple Watch to the latest watchOS version. Well, the green screen and the white screen issue started to occur after watchOS 9.5 update, and Apple had fixed this issue in past with later updates. To update your Apple Watch, open Watch app on your iPhone and tap on General and Software Update. And even if updating your Apple Watch didn't fix green screen or white screen issue on it, then my friend, I would recommend that you reset your Apple Watch. To factory reset your Apple Watch, open Watch app on your iPhone, tap on General and simply select Reset. And even after you have reset your Apple Watch and this issue doesn't go away, then my friend, there is a high possibility that your Apple Watch might have faced a physical damage. So I would request you to check thoroughly on its screen if there are any scuffs, scratches or cracks. And if there are any, I would recommend that you contact Apple support because those guys can only help you out. And lastly, if none of these solutions worked out for you, as I've already said, please contact Apple support because those are the only guys which can help you out with the green screen or the white screen issue on your Apple Watch. I hope this video has helped you to fix green screen or white screen issue on your Apple Watch. If it did, then make sure to press the like button and share this video with your friends as well and safeguard them. And in the meanwhile, you can always subscribe to the iGeeksblog and press the bell icon so that you get notified on each and every video we post. And while you're down there, make sure if you're facing any problem to comment it down. And of course, go to the App Store, download iGeeksblog app and enjoy everything Apple content as well. On this note, this is me Samir signing off and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye.